Let's talk about our three quantities again. We have 14, we have 21, and we have 43. And again, let's assume that these are the number of plastic bottles we've collected, and they're in three different boxes. One box has 14, one box has 21, one box has 43. Now let's represent those using tens and ones. So the first box has 14, 1 10, and 4 ones. And let's record that. So we have 1 10 and 4 ones. The second box has 21. That will be 2 10s and 1 1. And let's record that. So we have 2 10s and 1 1. And the third box has 43. And we represent that by 4 10s and 3 1s. And we record that. So we have 4 10s and 3 1s. Now, our story is that we want to take all of these plastic bottles, but we want to put them in boxes that have the same number of bottles in each box. So we're going to represent each of them, each of the new boxes, with a card. So here are 3 new boxes. Now the first thing we need to do is we need to put all of the tens and ones together. So let's put all the ones together first. And when we put the ones together, we're actually adding the ones. So we add the ones, we have 4 ones, 1 1, and 3 1, and that gives us 8 ones. Now let's add the tens. We have 4 tens and 2 more tens, that's 6 tens, and 1 10 is 7 tens. So let's record that. So now we have a total of 7 tens and 8 ones. 7 tens and 8 ones. And now what we want to do is we want to share these out equally into our 3 boxes, and we want to record this. Now to record this sharing, what we're going to do is we're going to use a different frame. We're going to say that in the frame we have 7 tens and 8 ones, representing what we have on our work mat. And we're going to distribute them to 3 different cards. So we're going to share it out to 3 different cards or 3 boxes, whatever you want to call them. Okay? So let's share the tens first. Well, we can put 2 tens on each card, or we can put 20 bottles in each box. So each box gets 2 tens. We've used up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of our tens. So we in our recording, we have to subtract 6 tens because we do not have those tens on the mat anymore. That leaves us with 1 10. So let's record that. Now, we can't share this 10 out equally, so what we have to do is we have to trade this 10 in for 10 ones. So here are 10 ones, and we're trading this 10 in for these 10 ones. This, and then we can put the ones with the ones from the original numbers. Now, in recording this mathematically, we do not put the ones over here. What we do is we simply show the 1 here and the 8 ones here. which is 18, and that's what we have, 18 ones. And now what we're going to do is we're going to share out the ones. Well, as we did before, we'll start by sharing 3 ones with each group. Then we can share out 2 more. And then finally, we can share out 1 more. So it turns out that each card, or each box, has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. So each gets 6 ones. And in doing that, we used up 18 ones, which leaves us with no ones remaining. So again, when we start with 14, 21, and 43, and want to share them out equally, the first thing we have to do is put them all together, or add them, and then share them out, or divide. And if we do, we have 14, 21, and 43, our answer is going to be that each box is going to have 10, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 26. Each box is going to have 26. The answer is not 26, because 26 would just be one of these. The answer is that each box has 26. 2 10s and 6 1s, or 26.